Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath, and we're taking a look at how to get Loom. So the first thing you're going to do is click the link that I've given you here, and you'll follow that link. It says Loom for Chrome. It's an extension. You can just go ahead and click Add, and click Add Extension. And then that is going to add Loom in. You'll notice I got this successful, it's successfully installed. I can click Dismiss. You, on the other hand, may have some extra clicking that you're going to do. It may ask you to sign up with Google. It shouldn't, but in case it does, obviously you just click Sign Up with Google. It may walk you through some privacy stuff. You shouldn't have to through the extension, but just by chance, you would click As a Student. Chrome extension obviously is what you would click. We're not on a desktop or anything like that. And then you're in the Get Started area. So now I'm going to click here to my extensions and make sure it's pinned. So I'm going to click this. I want to see Loom on the screen, and there it is. So anytime I want to record, I'm now ready to do so. And it's saying sign in, and then anytime it does, I'm just signing in with my U46. It's going to verify the account, and now I'm ready to record. You'll see even when I had clicked this, it brings me to my own personal library. I had made one before, but now we'll get into actually making recordings. So I'm going to click New Video, and then it's going to ask me, do I want screen plus camera? Do I want screen only or camera? We're going to do screen only right now, so we don't even need this picture, and I'm ready to actually record. So if I'm doing a recording of my Pixlr edits, I can open up Pixlr and I'm ready to start recording. It's asking, it wants to use your microphone and camera. I want to click Allow. And you can even see it was picking up audio and is ready to go. Let's see if it'll let me do a test. So I click Start Recording. It's going to ask what I want to use. I'm going to use my entire screen. And I hit the share. It gives me my countdown of 3, 2, 1. And let's say I was just going to show my blur edit, and I was just doing one as a test. I can show this, say something I like about it. I just like the way the picture pops, and now I would be done. I can hit Stop Sharing. It says copied. The URL is ready to go. So if we're turning this in, which we are as a practice, all I have to do is click the copy link, and now I can go into Canvas, and I can actually turn this in our practice turn-in. That's how you would turn this in for any assignment. You just copy the link and you're going to paste it in Canvas or in our turn-in. It's really that easy. And that's it. So I wanted you to go ahead, do a practice Loom, and why don't you do one of the three. So either your blur, your cartoon or sketchy, just one of the photo edits, just as a practice. You can go ahead and do that right now.